Question number 1. Which of the following sequence is correct according to taxonomy? Option number D. Phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. Question number 2. The numerical taxonomy of plant is based on which of the following? Option number A. All observable characteristics. Question number 3. Who published Systema Naturae in 1735, classifying the three kingdoms of nature and outlining the sexual system for the classification of plants? Option number C. Carolus Linnaeus is the correct answer. Question number 4. Plants that do not have a well differentiated body design fall into this group. The plant in this group are commonly called algae and are predominantly aquatic dash. Option number C. Thallophyta. Question number 5. Dash are the amphibians of the plant kingdom. Option number D. Bryophyta. 6. Ferns, horsetails and lycophytes belongs to which of the following groups? Option number B. Pteridophyta. Question number 7. Which among the following is an example of angiosperm in the plant kingdom? Option number D. Ranaria. Question number 8. Which of the following are non-vascular flowerless plant in the taxonomic division of Bryophyta? Option number A. Moses. 9. Which is a multicellular cellular filamentous green algae consisting of thin unbranched chain of cylindrical cells and is found in the floating masses near the surface of streams and ponds? Option number C. Spirogyra. Question number 10. Sporophyte stage is a dominant in which plant group? Option number B. Vascular plants. Question number 11. The structure that produces and holds sperm cells in bryophytes, non-vascular plants and ferns is called? Option number B. Antheridium. Question number 12. Which of the following are gymnosperms? Option number B. Cycas. 14. The blue-green algae Anabena lives in the roots of freshwater fern, forming which of the following associations? Option number C. Symbiotic. 14. The organisms that do not have a well-defined nucleus are classified into dash kingdom. Option number B. Monera. 15. What is the reason for the similar size of veins in monocot leaves? Option number C. Parallel venation. 16. What is the cottony growth over a stale bread called as? Option number D. Fungi. 17. Which is a flowerless spore producing plant that horned like a needle-like capsule with spores that has a flat green leaf? Option number A. Hornwort. 18. Flowerless plants, naked seeds, needle-like leaves and reproductive structures are the characteristics of dash. Option number B. Gymnosperms. Question number 19. Which of the following is a gymnosperm? Option number D. Pines. 20. Which of the following is a pteridophyta? Option number C. Fern. 21. Which of the following is the middle layer in the root system that gives rise to the cortex? Option number A. Peribellum. 22. Which of the following is a characteristics of fibers in the plant anatomy? Option number A. Possesses only pitted thickenings. 23. Which of the following pairs is incorrectly matched? Option number C. Pteridophyta cycas. Cycas is a gymnosperm. 24. Plants that grown under shade are known as? Plants that grown under shade are known as? Option number D, Zeophytes. 25. Fungi can grow on which of the following items? Bread, pickles, leather, clothes. Select the correct option. Option number C is the correct answer. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All of the above. Question number 26. Plants with green and tender stems are called? Option number D, herbs. 27. Which among the following is phanerogams, flowering and seed-bearing plants? Option number B, gymnosperms. 28. Which phylum of the plant kingdom consists of vascular plants, leaves known as fronds, roots, and sometimes true stems, and forms trunks in tree ferns? Option number B, pteridophyta. 29. Which among the following plant kingdoms are divided into liverworts and mosses? Option number D, bryophyta. 30. What do we call the water holding compound produced in large quantities by marine brown and red algae? Option number B, hydrocolloids. 31. Which among the following plant kingdoms are divided into dicotyledons and monocotyledons? Option number A, angiosperm. 32. Which among the following is not a subgroup of the plant kingdom? Option number D, hemichordata. 33. Identify the correct statement about green algae. Option number C. Green algae usually have a rigid cell wall made up of an inner layer of cellulose and an outer layer of pectose. 34. Match column A with column B. Blue-green algae. Okay, these are options. Option number C is the correct answer. A4, B3, C2, D1. A4, blue-green algae, cyanobacteria. B3, red algae, rhodophyta. Green algae, C2, chlamydomonas, and brown algae, sargassum. 1. Alright. Next question, 35. Select the incorrect statement about gymnosperm. Incorrect statement. Option number B. Gymnosperms are seedless flowering plants. 36. Which of the following statements is correct? Option number A. The transport of mate gametes is bryophytes and pteridophytes occur through water. 37. In which of the following groups are all plant monoecious? Option number C. Maize, cucumber, fig, and melon. 38. Identify a marine algae that is used as food. Option number B. Sargassum. 39. Which of the following is a diverse group of aquatic organisms capable of photosynthesizing? Option number D. Algae. Question number 40. Which of the following is a type of bryophyte that lives in many environments and is characterized by its small, flattened leaves, root-like rhizoid, and peristome? These all options are incorrect. Its correct answer is Phanadia. Phanadia is the correct answer. Alright. Question number 41. Which one of the following organism that belongs to the kingdom Monera? Option number C is the correct answer, Anabena. 42. Yeast, which is used to make bread, belongs to which group? Option number B, fungi. 43. Lichens represent the symbiotic relationship between algae and fungi. The algae component present in lichen is base known as? Option number B is the right answer, phycobiont. 44. Certain species of which one of the following organisms are well known as cultivators of fungi? Option number A, ant is the right answer. 45. Which one of the following is defined as a natural biological unit tied together by a sharing of a common gene pool? Option number D, species. 46. Microscopic branched and thread-like structures which can grow and absorb nutrition from organic matter are found in? Option number C, fungi. 47. In a dicot pot herb, Vaseline vegetable oils was applied on the upper surface of one leaf, experimental leaf 1, and on the upper surface of the another leaf, experimental leaf 2. Vaseline vegetable oils was not applied on the common control leaf. The plant was deliberately not watered for several days. Which leaf will dry up last? Option number B, experimental leaf 2. That means on the lower upper surface of another leaf, experimental 2. 48. During seeds germination, the part of the embryo which grows into root is? Option number A, radicle. Question number 49. How are evergreen plants with woody stems mainly classified? Option number D, gymnosperms. 50. Which one of the following categories does not include photosynthetic pigments? Option number B, fungi. 51. Which one of the following is not a characteristics of fungi? Option number C, can carry out photosynthesis, is not a characteristic of fungi. Otherwise, cell wall is made up of chitin, filamentous mycelium is present, asexual spores are produced. Okay. 52. Consider the following statements regarding cell wall composition. 1. Bacterial cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan. Fungi cell wall is made up of cellulose. Animal lacks cell wall and have extracellular matrix of sugar and proteins. Following statement regarding cell walls. Okay. Option number C is the correct answer. 1 and 3. 1 and 3. 53. Which one of the following statements is about for bryophytes is correct? Option number D. Specialized water conducting tissues are present. So that's all for today, and it was part 4, chapter 4, plant kingdom. All right. I hope it will definitely help you. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also, you can download PDF from my Telegram channel, link in the description. All right. Keep watching, keep learning. See you in the next video. Thank you.